On a day, the overall food ration scheme was extended. There was bad news for Mamata Banerjee's government in Bengal, with the Calcutta High Court saying her ration at Doorstep scheme was illegal. Saurabh joining us with more on that. Saurabh, what are we hearing?
Well, the High Court believes, after hearing arguments, that the Duare Ration Scheme, which is rations at the doorstep, is something that's illegal. Why does it believe so? Well, the enabling act that allows state governments to, distribute ration is the Food Security Act, which is the, parent act, so to speak. Now, the High Court says that the state government has gone beyond the limits of delegation of powers of that act, which is to say that by announcing doorstep delivery, it has overstepped the boundaries of the Food Security Act, and therefore, if it wants to bring about a doorstep delivery of ration scheme, it has to first get an in principle amendment done by the centre in the food security law. That is where it is. Politically, and also looking at it from the point of malnutrition and food security, many experts say that this is counterproductive, simply because many believe that any kind of ration delivery, food security, doorstep delivery works for the poor and also brings political benefits, which is why perhaps what Himanshu was talking about, the political point in the centre's decision. But generally, it's also a poverty alleviation measure, and that is something that takes a step back if these laws are struck down, where the ration is delivered to the doorstep. And for many of the poor, it makes the difference between having 3 square meals a day or not having access to proper food.
All right, Saurabh, thanks very much indeed.